Welcome to Project 4. Just 1 week for this project, so start early. Plan to get the first few steps complete by the end of the week, giving your team time to review over the weekend. Now, this project is more like an outline as opposed to like the full plan or annexes like you submitted in projects 2 and 3. So not a lot of detail needed for the assignment. I'm going to be more focused on quality than quantity. Imagine you're presenting this to a busy client. They don't have a lot of time for nuance and details. Just get straight to the facts and propose as efficiently as possible your recommendations. Another difference about this project is that there's going to be some solo work, right, before you get back together as a group and submit your final version of the project. So a little bit different there. Now, while you're working on Project 4, over the next few days, I encourage you to peek over the horizon just a bit to look at your next project, your final project, which is a 6 to 8 page paper. Not a lot. 6 to 8 pages, based upon everything you've learned throughout this term, will not take you, shouldn't take you that much time. Remember, that's 6 to 8 pages, excluding the cover page and your reference pages. So you'll have your cover page, 6 to 8 pages, and then your references. So 6 to 8 full pages of content. It's more traditional assignment, probably something you're familiar with and maybe more comfortable completing. Here's the key to success. Make sure you include plenty of citations, okay? Your opinion's great, but what matters most is how you apply what you've learned consistent with our learning objectives. And the best way to demonstrate that and to support your findings is to include plenty of citations, lots of great support from authoritative sources. It's due in week 10. Folks, that is not very far away at all, okay? So start thinking about it now. You may even start writing it now if you get the time. There's not going to be any time for late submissions, okay? We are near the end of this very quick course, and at the end, there is no time for I'm late or I need extra time. That's just not going to be possible in the constraints that we have. You've got it submitted on time because I've got to get you your papers reviewed and close out the course. That's the only way you're going to get your final grades, which everybody's going to want. So don't put your classmates behind by you being behind. Just know that from the very beginning, I've advised you. Make sure you do not get behind. And so far, for the most part, everyone's done a good job on that. Just continue doing that, and don't plan to, or make sure you plan to turn this paper in on time or even early. I've had students that, they're smart enough to look ahead. They know the paper's coming. They go ahead and start working on it, and they submit that paper early, which I highly commend and recommend. All right. As always, reach out if you have any questions or difficulties. Stay ahead, stay engaged, and of course, enjoy your time of learning.